Good girl. Their favorite part of the day. Look at them. So we got 2 green, 1 white, and 2 brown. No, Cheesy. She doesn't want it. Oh, she did want it.
They dart and dash through leafy greens, a joyful feathered blur, exploring every corner. No place is too far for her. Through the chicken tunnels, the secret, safe highway they roam, always finding new adventures far from their cozy home. Oh, Cali chickens, living the dream, it's plain to see.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to a new video. I just woke up and I'm coming out here to see what the chickens are doing. They're being super loud. So I'm bringing them a little snack. It's the end of July, but it's super cloudy and cold. Alyssa and Alex, they're still sleeping. We have swimming today, so we're gonna get ready for that pretty soon. But I'm gonna feed the chickens a little snack first. No, oh, no, don't come out, don't come out, don't come out. I'm gonna scatter them around because that way everybody gets some. The little chicks are mixed in with the big chickens. We moved them all together, so come on, get some. Some of the big chickens don't let the little chickens get any treats. But they've been getting along okay, except for the big ones that want to share their food. They've been all sleeping in the house at night, and they're doing okay. Let's see if any, it's kind of early, I think it's only 8. See if any of the chickens made eggs. No eggs yet, but I think somebody is in there though. Hello, I think that's Bunny. Bunny's in there laying her egg. Good girl. Okay, it's a little bit later. It is around lunchtime, it's noon. We're gonna collect the eggs and also we're gonna let the chickens out. We just came home from swimming and it is sunny now. It's about 73 degrees. Let's let them out to be free. And then we'll collect the eggs. Their favorite part of the day. Whoa, that one flew right onto me. It's a lot of chickens. Look at them. Okay, let's collect the eggs. Let's see, how many do you think today?
Be careful with them, with the little chicks, because they might go to the tomatoes.
Yeah. Oh, someone found something. Okay, let's see. I'm guessing every day we've been getting 4. How many do you think?
5.
I'm gonna say 3. I know it's kind of dirty because the little chicks are hanging out up here. We need to clean that.
1.
1. That is whose egg? That's Chippy's egg.
Oreo.
Oreo's egg. That's 2.
And then you know the green eggs. I don't know.
That is
Bunny?
Bambi's.
Oh.
They're like flying around all crazy. The fan is turning on. Ooh, I already see 5.
Then we have Hazel.
That's Hazel's egg. The fan turns on once it's like 80 degrees in here, I
And
think.
then 5. This is Bunny's.
And that is Bunny's. We
I
got
guess
5 eggs
that-
today. It's still a little early. They could
I'm
still
also
lay
gonna
eggs
make them
later.
some-
So we got 2 green, 1 white, and 2 brown. Nice. So after we come home from wherever we go, we let them out to hang around the yard for a little bit. And we don't leave the little chicks out freely as much as the bigger ones because they get into the tomato garden and they get into stuff that they shouldn't be, but we're gonna let them out. We're gonna let them play out here for a little bit, and then we're gonna put the little ones in that cage over there. That's what we do every day. And they kind of stick together. There's 4 of them over there, and then 2 of them over there. They just run around all crazy. And they're already going to the tomatoes.
Watch them.
They're already going looking
They
at the
want to, they want
they're already
to.
looking for the tomatoes. They know the tomatoes are right there. So yeah, they're not gonna be out here for that much longer. We're gonna put them in that cage. But letting them run around and spread their wings a little bit.
Look at Junior.
Who's Junior? This Bacon Junior is getting so big. Bacon Junior is the cutest one.
Let's see if you know which one is Bagel. have
I
the
don't.
eyes on her.
That one right there?
Which one?
I don't know. That one with something in her mouth? I don't know.
No,
They all look the same
the
to
one
me.
that's farther. Wait.
The
in the
furthest
dirt
one. Yeah, we're gonna let them do a little dirt bath and then we'll put them in that cage.
Little Junior doesn't know how to go in there. Look, they
But
found
yes,
something.
5 eggs. What did they find?
I don't know.
I'm bringing them some lettuce. Oh, look at them. Look at Chippy. Here.
Bagel wants some.
Bagel wants some. Bagel, you get first. Come on, get some bagel. A Chippy. It's Cheesy. No, Cheesy.
Ah, yummy.
You want to hand feed them or? Here. There.
It's lettuce.
Who's this, Bagel?
Uh-huh.
Bagel is her favorite now, huh?
She doesn't
She
want
doesn't
to eat it.
want it.
Ah!
Oh, she did want it.
Come on, Bagel. Give me some more. Come on, Bagel. Come on, Bagel. Come on, Bagel. Why are you giving the big ones?
Here, feed your little ones. Feed Bacon Jr.
Come on, Bagel.
the little ones still kind of keep separate from the big ones, because the big ones like
Except for
shoot
that one.
shoo them away when there's food around, and they don't let the little ones eat the food. So see, just like that.
I'm gonna put some in the cage.
She's gonna put the little chickens in there, and then also check if their water is clean, if they have enough.
They don't really have enough, so I'm gonna fill it up.
She's gonna fill it up for them. All the chickens are trying to get it. You guys have your own over here.
At least she gets to eat her lettuce.
Mhm. They're all thirsty. Drink up.
Drink, drink, drink.
These other chickens we're just gonna leave out on their own in the yard. We haven't seen any hawks around lately for a while, so we're just gonna leave them out. That's what we usually do until later on tonight. The little chickens are in there, and then later on tonight we'll put them back in for the night.
Cali chickens living life with so much joy for me and you. Oh, Cali chickens living the dream, it's plain to see in our beautiful yards, wild and free. From the orange trees where the sweet fruit grows, to the chicken tunnels where adventure flows. So if you're looking for some joy and a feathery good time, come join the Cali chickens every single day in rhyme. Yeah, Cali chickens, cluck cluck hooray, living the good life in California every single day.